Hello everyone, today's video content is analysis of the real questions of the NS0-093 exam, an explanation of relevant knowledge points. The following test questions are all from our question bank, and they were updated on December 12, 2024. Exam information. Question 1. Which two commands can be used to identify WAFL consistency issues on an aggregate? The knowledge points of this question are: use of specific commands to verify the consistency of WAFL. WAFL stands for Write Anywhere File Layout, which is crucial for how NetApp systems handle data. The write commands help ensure everything is in order by checking if the data is being stored and accessed correctly, which is key to keeping the system running smoothly and efficiently. So, the correct answers are: these commands are directly related to checking the health and status of WAFL. They give you a quick insight into whether everything is running as it should be within the aggregates where your data is stored. Question 2. To comply with a request from NetApp support regarding an issue with a DS4.2.4.6 shelf in an ONTAP 9.12.1 environment, which command should be executed to collect the required shelf logs? The knowledge points of this question are: retrieval of hardware-specific logs from a DS4.2.4.6 shelf. When a DS4.2.4.6 shelf acts up, knowing how to pull detailed logs can be a lifesaver. These logs give you a peek into what the shelf has been up to, helping you spot problems before they get worse. So the correct answer is: when NetApp support needs details about your storage shelf, the best way to provide it is by sending a detailed Support Auto Support report. This option specifically includes data about your storage, making it the best choice for thorough diagnostics. Question 3. What are two methods to send a core file from an ONTAP 9.12.1 node to NetApp for analysis? The knowledge points of this question are: methods for uploading diagnostic core files to NetApp. Core files are like black boxes for when the system crashes. They tell you what went wrong. Getting these files over to NetApp fast helps them figure out the problem and fix it, reducing downtime. So the correct answers are: both of these options involve using auto support to handle core files. Auto support is NetApp's built-in tool for automatically capturing and sending system diagnostics, making it the most efficient way to get those important files over to NetApp for analysis. Question 4. Which statement accurately describes RAID error propagation in a NetApp environment? The knowledge points of this question are: impact of RAID errors on data and system consistency. RAID is all about keeping data safe and accessible, even when disks fail. Understanding error propagation helps manage these risks, making sure that small errors don't turn into big problems. So, the correct answer is: a recoverable error on user data doesn't cause inconsistencies because of RAID's built-in error handling capabilities. It's designed to manage these kinds of errors so they don't mess up your data. Question 5. On a FAS 9000 system using ONTAP 9.12.1, where would you locate a kernel core file? The knowledge points of this question are: knowledge of where kernel core files are stored within ONTAP systems. Kernel core files are crucial for digging deep into system crashes. Knowing where these files are stored helps you get to the bottom of issues quickly, speeding up recovery times. So, the correct answer is kernel core files, which are crucial for diagnosing serious system issues, are typically stored on the root volume. This is the primary place where system files are kept, making it the logical spot for these important diagnostic files. Question 6. Identify the correct locations of drive 1.2.3.L1 based on its naming convention. The knowledge points of this question are: understanding of drive naming conventions and physical locations. Managing a storage system efficiently means knowing exactly where your drives are and how they're labeled. This makes setting up and troubleshooting much easier. So the correct answers are: this drive naming format indicates the drive is in Bay 3 of Shelf 2. Understanding this naming helps quickly locate the drive physically within the storage array. Question 7. To verify the consistency state of an aggregate in a NetApp environment, which two commands could an administrator use? The knowledge points of this question are: commands for verifying the health of data aggregates. Data aggregates are big chunks of storage space. Regular checks with the right commands can prevent data loss by catching issues early on, keeping your data safe and the system reliable. So the correct answers are: both of these commands are specifically designed to check and ensure that your data aggregates are in good shape. They're about keeping an eye on the health of your storage, which is key to preventing data loss and system issues. Question 8. When analyzing a panic involving a CalWogic FC16G adapter from the auto support data, in which sections would you find relevant information? The knowledge points of this question are: examination of specific auto support sections for hardware issue analysis. Auto support is like having a watchdog that keeps an eye on your system. For issues with things like FC adapters, knowing where to look in the auto support data can help you quickly find and fix the problem, keeping everything running smoothly. So the correct answers are: for hardware issues like those with a QLogic FC adapter, these two sections of the auto support data provide a detailed look at system logs and error reports. They're your go-to resources for pinpointing what went wrong and figuring out how to fix it. If you have any questions about the NS0-093 exam, please leave a message in the comment area or contact us directly. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time.